Welcome to FairBridge Inn & Suites Canadian, where comfort meets affordability. Our goal at FairBridge Inn & Suites Canadian is to provide you with the best amenities and service in the area. Our spacious rooms are equipped with everything you need for a comfortable stay. Enjoy our complimentary continental breakfast, 24/7 front desk, and stay on top of your fitness routine in our fully equipped fitness center. Explore the charm of Canadian Texas with nearby attractions such as the Canadian River Valley Pioneer Museum, Lake Marvin, and the Canadian River. Our convenient location also puts you within reach of outdoor adventures like hiking, fishing, and birdwatching. Each of our rooms is designed with your comfort in mind, featuring amenities like free Wi-Fi, a flat-screen TV, and a cozy bed to ensure a restful night's sleep. Whether you're here for business or leisure, FairBridge Inn & Suites Canadian offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience for your stay in Canadian Texas. Book your stay with us today and experience true Texan hospitality at FairBridge Inn & Suites Canadian. You can book a hotel by clicking the link in the video description.